So let's start working on the edit customer now, because now we can find customer by ID. So let's go back to our case here, and here's a case of edit customer, and I want to just add a new function here, edit customer, like this. There we go, and I will ask it to auto-generate that function for me, and I'll put in some information here. By the way, if you guys think this application is starting to grow into something that's rather messy, I totally agree, and that's why we want to start using some patterns and some great software tools to actually make this better as we start the second part of this series. But don't worry about that right now, let's just make a mess we can clean up later. Yay, mess! So what do we need to do? Well, step one, we need to find a customer, right? The customer we want to edit, we can just find that by using the find customer by ID that we just created last lesson. So how can we edit them? Let's make it easy. CV here, we'll add a console write line and we'll just say first name. I know this is not perfect, and it's really not the point here, is not to make a perfect program, it is to show you how this can be done. Now, I'm going to say first name is going to be equal to something new here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say first name equals a console read line. Console read line. There we go. Now we have a first name, right? I'll do the last name as well right here. So I'll say last name. And I'll add last name here as well. And the last thing I'll ask is for the address. There we go. So let's try and see if this works. This is madness. Let's try it out. Run the console application, and I'm going to pop up with the list here. I'll do an edit by pressing 4. It asks for the customer to edit. You're not getting any information about who you're getting. You're not getting any information about anything right now, so the program is definitely not perfect. You can make it a lot better, and I want you guys to work on that, but I'm not going to do it right now. So I press 4, and now I'll pick customer 1 here, and I'll call him Bill Granger Street. There we go. Press enter. If I list a customer now, the first customer should now actually be Bill Granger, and there we go, on Granger Street. So I just edited a customer. I know it's not that useful, and you shouldn't put this into production yet. I think your customers will kind of yell at you, but we're getting somewhere, right? There's a lot of things we can change. We can make it better. We can make it shine. Go for it. Play around with this. Make it your program. Change it around. Do whatever you can. But now we can actually edit a customer. See you next time.